Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have Saigan Bhaiya with us. He is a sneakerhead, of course, but उसके अलावा वो क्या करते हैं? I'll let him only speak. So let's welcome Saigan Bhaiya only. Hi, Saigan Bhaiya.
Hey man, how are you?
Welcome. Good. आप
All
कैसे हो?
good?
So
Yeah.
welcome to the show, Bhaiya.
Thanks for having me here, man. Thanks for having me here. I'm Saigun Grover and I'm the founder of Coachside. Coachside is basically a sneaker customization service. It's one of the very few in the country. And हिंदी में बोलूँ तो हम जूतों पे पेंट करते हैं या उसको स्टिच करते हैं या उसका पूरा लुक चेंज कर देते हैं. So we basically take a plain white sneaker. Mostly I work with Nike Air Force Ones. And then we make something special out of it, something which is a bit more personal, than something that you can get from like a store right out of the store. तो एक brand की एक चीज होती है और एक खुद का personal एक different चीज होता है. So this is more towards that, कि having something which is just yours, and when you walk out everyone knows it is just yours.
Okay. So ये तो आपका main idea रहा. So basically, if I'll ask you कि how and when all this thing started, कि Coachside का invention कैसे हुआ?
So the invention of Coachside, basically ये दिमाग में it came as an idea to me at the end of 2018. Before Coachside, it was just that I wanted something that I liked. Basically, I was just going through Instagram, and we know that Explore pe kabhi na kabhi we just find things, and they're lovely things. So I saw a few custom sneakers on my Explore page, and then I went inside and saw like, bro, what the hell is this? Because I thought Nike only made them. I had a few pairs of all white Air Force Ones with me, which I really liked. But there was this kind of a sketch custom which I saw, and I was like, bro, Nike ne ye kab nikala? So I went into this, I researched, and then I saw ki, oh, someone has actually hand painted that over a pair of his Nike shoes. I thought that's like a really dope thing to do. And I thought I should buy one of them because I liked it. So then I went to his page, I asked him, hey man, what's the scene? How can I get one? So like shipping, duties, everything included, the shoe was coming out to be around $500 for me to get, which at the time was around 35 to 40,000 rupees. And I was like, bro, I just don't want to spend that much on an Air Force One. Respectfully, it looks dope, but I don't want to spend that kind of money. So I thought that I can try to make something like that myself. I've done some painting, I knew some painters. So I started, I tried to make one, but that shoe got completely ruined. Painting on sneakers is not really easy. So that Air Force One kind of, I just gave it away, and then I started with a new pair. थोड़ा टाइम लेके, थोड़े months research करके, materials देख के कि हाँ Angelus का paint होना चाहिए, proper leather paints होने चाहिए. मतलब there's a lot of processes which go into creating something which not only looks good but it is also durable. So the next few months I kind of researched into that, so all the materials, YouTube, everything that I could do. And then I made a few good pairs for myself only, and then I used to wear them all the time. So whenever I used to wear them with my friends, with my family, wherever, everyone used to naturally ask, because ऐसा किसी ने कुछ देखा नहीं है. So they were like, hey, what is this and how can I get something like this? So I told them that I just painted over the shoe and you can also get it. So I started getting orders this way, like a few orders a week or something. Starting with a few orders a month, and weekly I used to get orders because I used to go out a lot and people just used to come up, word of mouth se bhi. And dheere dheere it became a lot. This was no way my full-time job or anything. I've been working for the past 2.5 years, and I was actually a part of a startup and also a product manager. So I used to get like 2 days off a week, जिसमें मैं ये कर लेता था. And eventually I knew, because if this is something good that people want and I want to do it for more and more people, I cannot do it alone. So I teamed up with a few people जो fine arts के practitioners थे. I used to buy paintings from them, and then they did not know the techniques to obviously make something like this, but I took some time, I trained them, and few months later all of us together started making customs for everyone around us. And as the orders kept increasing, we just decided, let's just come out as Coachside and do this for the whole country.
So why only name Coachside? उसके पीछे कुछ आपका intention क्या था सिर्फ Coachside के लिए?
So basically, do you look at like people or like good clothes or good, like जब किसी की fit pics होती हैं, do you look on Instagram कि yeah, this guy is looking dope that way, है ना?
Yeah.
तो ऐसे इंडिया
Yeah.
में होता है एयरपोर्ट लुक, बिकॉज वहां पे सारे लोग वो फोटो ले लेते हैं. बाहर यूजुअली क्या होता था, कोच साइड लुक होती थी. लाइक बास्केटबॉल गेम्स में, इन द बेस्ट बास्केटबॉल गेम्स, people used to come out wearing the hottest sneakers on those court side seats. या तो वो सबसे hyped sneakers पहनते थे, या तो वो कुछ ऐसा पहनते थे that you'd be like, bro, what are those? Like some sick customs, stuff like that. So I wanted to make sneakers which someone would wear court side. So I just picked up the name court side.
बहुत आई मीन ये सुन के मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा कि आइडिया वेरी नाइस. कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ? बहुत बढ़िया. ऊपर से इसके नाम के पीछे की स्टोरी भी.
हाँ, this is actually the first time किसी ने मेरे से पूछा है. People just take the shoes, they don't really ask, but yeah, appreciate the question, man.
बेसिकली इस चैनल के पीछे मोटिव यही है कि स्नीकर हेड से बात करके उनके स्टोरी और एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू स्नीकर्स बात करना. So if it's related to sneakers, we will ask.
That's cool.
Yeah. So you are limited to sneakers only, right?
Yeah, limited to sneakers, because at the moment I started with what I like, and for me sneakers were always the highlight of my outfit. So right now we're just trying to be the master of one, other than being the jack of all trades. So limited to just sneakers.
So क्या आपसे किस तरह ऑर्डर्स किस तरह लेते हो? So what's the procedure कि आपसे कस्टम स्नीकर्स बनवाए जा सकते हैं?
सबसे सिमिलर टर्म्स में मैं कहूँगा it is like a tattoo. Like you walk into the tattoo parlor and आप डिस्कस करते हो कि मुझे क्या चाहिए. अगर तुम्हें एग्जैक्टली नहीं पता, जो काफी लोगों को नहीं पता होता, देन दे आर लाइक मुझे कुछ ऐसा चाहिए, इस थीम का चाहिए, इस साइज का चाहिए, इतना बड़ा चाहिए. सो इन दैट केस टैटू आर्टिस्ट भी आपकी हेल्प करता है, डिजाइन्स के मॉकअप्स बनाता है, अलग अलग चीजें दिखाता है कि ये ऐसा दिखेगा. तो हमारा भी काफी सिमिलर प्रोसीजर है. Like instead of just being out there like just buy this, buy that, of course we have designs on our feed which a lot of people buy. Like same designs we made 5 times. A lot of designs are like that, but a lot of designs are also like something very personal to the person. Like recently we made a custom shoe for a person who's going to become a doctor and he wants to become either a cardiologist or a neurosurgeon. So जो उसके लिए एक design होगा, it will be different from maybe a person who wants like a sketch design. So if you already like something, then sure, we can just bring it to life for your sneaker. But if you have like an idea कि I want something which जिसकी ये story है, जिसका ये theme है, then we put our designers to work, including myself, and we come up with mock-ups, like proper digital things of how it will look like for you. And then उसी हिसाब से जैसा काम लगेगा उस हिसाब से we decide the budget and everything, and we bring it to life that way.
तो कांटेक्ट करना है आपको तो कहाँ कर सकते हैं?
So basically the Instagram page where we respond to DMs, or the website where you can fill a proper form and just go deep into it. So we can get back to you that way. So these are the 2 ways we do it right now.
So it was really nice talking to you, Veer.
Same here, man. Same here. Have a good one.
And I
Good luck for
really
your channel,
enjoyed
guys. Like, share, subscribe right now. Yeah.
And also go to his website and follow him on Instagram and
What
get
site?
your custom sneakers today.
See you guys there. Alright, man. Have a
Thank
good
you,
one.
भैया. Bye.
Bye.
हाँ तो गाइस ये थे साइगुन भैया, फाउंडर ऑफ कोर्टसाइड, एंड दिस इज हाउ ही स्टार्टेड कोर्टसाइड. वो वन ऑफ द फ्यू सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है स्नीकर कस्टमाइजेशन के इंडिया में, एंड आई वॉज वेरी लकी टू हैव अ वर्ड विद हिम. आई होप आपने इस वीडियो से कुछ नया सीखा होगा, एंड नाउ यू हैव आइडिया हाउ टू गेट योर स्नीकर्स कस्टमाइज्ड एंड आप कहाँ से करवा सकते हो. सो आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो सो डू हिट द लाइक बटन. इट गिव्स अपने को बहुत सारा मोटिवेशन, एंड ऑल्सो गिव अस योर वैल्यूएबल फीडबैक इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन. Also, if you want to talk about anything related to sneaker with us, contact details description section में है, आप वहाँ पे चेकआउट कर सकते हो. So आज की वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही. See you in the next video. Bye.